Hello sir. How can I help you? My mobile screen is broken. Can you please check if it can be repaired? Sure sir. Can I see the phone? Here it is. What model is it? It's a Samsung Galaxy. I dropped it yesterday. And now display isn't I can working see properly. The cracks. The touch seems unresponsive too. That means we will need to replace the display unit. How much will it cost? For the original one, it's around 5,000 rupees, but the compatible one, it's around 2,000 rupees. What is the difference between the original and the compatible ones? The original one has bright color, brightness, and better color and durability. Compatible one also works fine, but might not have as sharp and could have a shorter life. How long will it take to fix? If the item in my stock, about an hour. If not, I can get it by tomorrow. Okay, please go ahead with the original one. Sure sir, I will replace the display and I will call you when it's ready. Great, thanks. Please make sure all my data stays safe. Don't worry sir, display replacement won't affect your data, but I will handle it with carefully. Like and subscribe for new updates. Thank you.